Namaste, this is BSc B.Ed second semester class of nuclear chemistry, and in this class we discuss about the nuclear binding energies. Scientists discovered in the 1930s that the masses of nuclei combined with always less than these nucleons individually. Mass of two protons are 2. One individual proton has 1.00728 AMU unit mass unit. Mass of two neutrons are 2 and exactly it has 1.00867 AMU. Total mass of these nucleons are 4.03190 AMU. The mass of a helium-4 nucleus is 4.00150, causing a mass defect of 0.0304 AMU. The origin of this mass defect is sum of the mass is converted to binding energy, which binds the nucleons together in the nucleus. Energy then needs to be added to separate these nucleons to overcome this binding energy. This energy added to break the nucleons apart is called nuclear binding energy. Now we discuss about the nuclear fission reactions. In this diagram you can see that when a uranium nucleus is bombarded by a neutron, this heavy nucleus collects and break into two small nucleus, and 3 neutrons are also produced in this reaction. So this is the basically nuclear fission reaction where heavy nucleus convert into small nucleus, light nucleus with some amount of neutrons. And this is nuclear fusion reactions where two small nucleus are combined together and form a heavy nucleus plus energy and plus neutron. You can see in this diagram that one deuterium and tritium combine together and form a helium nucleus plus one neutron. So combining of nuclei also release energy. Possible alternative energy sources that can fuse light non-radioactive nuclei to obtain energy. The problem is that the reaction need high temperature to overcome the repulsion between nuclei. The lowest temperature found to fuse deuterium with titanium is 4000000 Kelvin. This is cold fusion is a hot research topic for today, where we can fuse two nuclei in low temperature. So this is about nuclear fusion and fusion reactions. Thank you so much.